because I have two severely disabled brothers. Neil is 11 and John is 7, and it's really, really tough in our house. And they're both like severely disabled with severe intellectual disability, which basically means like they can't talk and they can't understand. And look, it's really, really hurtful and it's so hard to deal with. But I saw the massive issue in this country, that there's 20,000 kids rotting on a HSC waiting list, and that the government are breaking the assessments and needs law, which basically says that kids must be assessed within 6 months of their application for the assessment. But that just simply wasn't happening. So I decided that I was going to go up to the Taoiseach's department every single week from around the middle of June, and I would go up there at about like 7:30, 8 o'clock every single week, and I'd protest outside the front of Leinster House as well the next day on the Wednesday. And like I had to wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning. It's like when everyone else was sleeping and when Simon Harris is probably asleep, I was up there getting ready to go to Dublin and try and get change with this country. So I'm going to meet him again next Monday to further talk about these issues, and I'm hoping to make more progress. But Little Me isn't going away anytime soon, and I'm the happiest campaigner to ever protest outside the Taoiseach's department. And if he doesn't make changes, then roll on the cold winter and the snow, because I'll become the first person to ever build a snowman outside the Taoiseach's department.